We're checking out the Mish 4x4 5-inch big boy seat brackets for the driver's side of the 2020 and newer 3.6 liter Jeep Gladiator JTs. This upgrade is ideal for tall drivers or anyone who needs a little additional legroom for more comfortable and ergonomic driving experience. Perfect for taller Gladiator owners who could really benefit from the seat going back an additional 5 inches. This big boy seat bracket is an innovative addition to your Gladiator, allowing the driver's seat to move back up to 5 inches like I just mentioned. This extra legroom ensures a more relaxed driving position, particularly beneficial on long road trips or some off-roading adventures. This seat bracket integrates seamlessly with the factory seat rails, maintaining all the original adjustments, safety functions, and the seatbelt tensioner. It's specifically engineered to enhance comfort while keeping your vehicle's interior layout and style. Also, the bracket design ensures a firm and secure seat installation, so you shouldn't notice any differences from stock other than that extra 5 inches of legroom. This bracket is going to be built from heavy-duty, quarter-inch thick steel, and the bracket boasts exceptional strength and durability. This black powder coat finish provides a robust corrosion resistance, ensuring it withstands the demands of both daily driving and out there hitting the trails. The precise construction guarantees a snug fit, matching those OEM specifications for an effortless installation process, which we'll show you here in a minute. As far as the pricing goes on these, this big boy seat bracket for the driver's side is going to come in right around that mid $200 price range, making it a cost-effective solution for significantly improving your driving comfort and adding that 5 inches of legroom. Now, installing this big boy seat bracket is going to be a straightforward process that only requires basic hand tools. So on our difficulty meter, we're going to rate this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, and the install should only take you 3 hours or less to complete. It bolts directly onto the factory mounting points, so no modifications or drilling is going to be needed. Now, let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
Used a socket wrench, and then to remove the factory bolts, an E12 socket. For the one bolt that was hard to get to, I did need an extender, 14 millimeter to get the 3/8 by 1 inch carriage bolts secured, and then a 13 millimeter to secure the 5/16 by 1 inch carriage bolt. Position the seat in the full forward position and then remove the 2 rear seat bolts, and we'll be saving those for later. Now we move the seat to the full rearward position and remove front seat bolts, saving for later. So it looks like to get to this one, needed an extension. It is kind of a tight fit, so. Put off to the side for later. You're going to want to lay these out so the seat brackets can sit over where the big boy brackets are going to go. It's going to take a little adjustment. So once the bracket and the seat is lined up and all the carriage bolts are in the spots where they're supposed to be, especially the 5/16 or 1 inch carriage bolt, which is over on the right side of the driver's seat. Then you can go ahead and put the A bolts that came with the vehicle, you put them back in. We're securing the big boy brackets to the vehicle at this point. We're not tightening the carriage bolts that attach the seat to the big boy brackets just yet. Again, ensuring that the 5/16 carriage bolt is where it's supposed to be, and reattaching the bolt that came with the vehicle to secure the big boy bracket guard. Returning the seat to its full forward position, we're going to go back to, again, these bolts that came with the vehicle. We're bolted into the vehicle, securing the big boy brackets down. Again, on the other side, returning this bolt that came with the vehicle, and we'll use it to secure down the big boy bracket. Finally, using a 14mm socket is what I'm using to secure the bolts that came with the brackets, to secure the seats down to your new brackets. And now, importantly, for the last bolt that goes on the 5/16 by 1 inch carriage, you're gonna have to go down to a 13mm to get it in there. And that's that.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Mish 4x4 5-inch big boy seat bracket for the driver's side of the 2020 and newer 3.6 liter Jeep Gladiator JTs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.